Welcome to InfoGod channel. Today in a mantra we gonna learn new mantra of Ma Saraswati. Ma Saraswati is a god of knowledge. She is a god of study. So by chanting her mantras and doing her manifestation dedicatedly, she get happy and she blesses us with concentration and focus. This mantra you can chant every day or you can chant for 21 times for Wednesday. This mantra is more useful for students to increase their knowledge and to focus and concentration and in study. This mantra is of Saraswati Mahabhage Vidya Kamala Lochane Vidyarupe Vishalakshi Vidyam Dehi Namostute. Listen carefully again. Saraswati Mahabhage Vidya Kamala Lochane Vidyarupe Vishalakshi Vidyam Dehi Namostute. You will find this mantra into post also. Bye bye for now. Thank you.